It's National Construction Safety Week, and construction work can be very dangerous, not only for the workers themselves, but also for the drivers when there's road work being done. David Greene from Greene and Phillips is here with some advice on how to remain safe in these situations. David, it's good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, so let's focus on the workers first. Lots of distractions on the roads these days. How do we keep our friends who are working on our roadways safe?
Well, number one, they all have certain protocol that they should follow, and they typically always do. They have the bright vest, they have their hard helmets, they have their steel-toe shoes and their proper clothing, but it's very important that they make sure that they're visible. And there's certain rules and regulations that they should follow. Most all the time they do, but you have someone that comes along many times that's going too fast in a construction zone, not paying attention, maybe playing on their phone, maybe talking or doing something they shouldn't be doing. They really need to pay attention. So as far as a worker, the worker should wear all the bright clothing, do all the proper things, that there's their basic protocols of what they should be wearing and what they should be doing, and most all the time they are doing that.
Right.
But the drivers are who we need to watch out for, and as a driver we should watch out for construction zones. That's why the speed limit's reduced, and there's signs that warn you, construction zone, be aware and slow down. Right,
super important information. Those people need to go home to their families too, so just be aware if you're driving on the roads. What should someone do if they've been injured at a construction site?
Well, many times we've been involved in these type cases pretty much all over the Southeast. What happens is really 911 needs to be called just like any other accident. Make sure that they seek medical treatment. Go ahead and go to the doctor, go to the hospital, get the treatment that you need. Make sure that that's handled. 911 is, if you call 911, the police are going to come out, they're going to do a report, and then after it's over, after you're able to kind of settle down, talk to a local injury lawyer that lets you know what your rights are. You may have a workers' compensation claim along with a third-party claim. You really need someone that can mesh that and make sure you get all the benefits that you're entitled to since you were involved in that type of incident.
Should someone do something differently if they get in a wreck near or around a construction zone?
Well, I think that it's important just to make sure you call 911.
Yeah.
I think that 911 needs to be called every time. Get the authorities out there. They're the experts. They're going to make photographs. They're going to take down all the information. That's something a lot of people don't think about. You know, you lose data, you lose information. Someone that saw it, if they're not asked if they're a witness, may leave. You really need to try to see, and there may be, maybe video evidence. Sometimes we've had cases, I got a case right now involving the entire thing's on video. So you really need to call 911 and get the authorities out there, whether it's the state troopers, Mobile PD, whoever, but the authorities need to be called to go ahead and lock down the scene and get all the information, because those men and women do a wonderful job. We support them very much so. They do a great job of getting that information, and you're going to need that if you're severely injured.
That's right. Good information to know. David, if someone needs to reach out to you, how can they do that?
It's very simple. You can reach us at greenphillips.com. You can fill out the web contact form, or text us, or call us at 251-300-2000.
All right, David, thanks for being here. We will have everything you need to know on fox10tv.com.